A little bit before 9 a.m., Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's had a great weekend. We're talking the correlated assets first here on YouTube this morning, getting everybody aligned. I got a couple videos up on all of the forks, how they're relating to Bitcoin through FX Street. That's a great service to use. It's free. Kind of chart your way for the Monday morning setups. I did a video on Bitcoin Cash. Now I'm looking at Bitcoin Gold, and I always like to throw in Bitcoin Gold there because it is trading at 28 bucks. Okay, it's always trading so much lower than Bitcoin Cash. Okay, but yet it's still a fork of Bitcoin. And so, what does that really mean, right? Now you get all the arguments and all the camps about, oh well, knowing it's worthless, blah 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 blah. You can still trade it, mates. And trust me when I tell you, there are people out there that are making crazy bank trading Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Silver, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, I can tell you that right now because I talk with a lot of them. Because right now, Bitcoin's not $12,000 anymore, mates. It's not 18. It's not 22. It's not 32. Okay, it went all the way to freaking 70, right? And when you're on leverage, you want the most of your money to work for you. Okay, it's not just the movement and the behavior. How many thousands of points does Bitcoin have to rise for you to generate, say, a 15% return on a 10x trade? Okay, think about that. How much does Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Silver or Bitcoin Gold have to rise? And if I told you that those assets were going to rise if Bitcoin was going to rise, why would you not trade them and not Bitcoin? Because, again, you got $1,000. You're going to put $1,000 in Bitcoin. That is going to be 0.00001, whatever it is, 1,000 of a $37,000 asset. If you're going to put $1,000 into a $28 Bitcoin Gold today, the movement and the behavior off your entry is based on the number of tokens that you accumulated, correct? In that trade. What's the price movement you're playing off of your entry? You've got a lot more, okay? People, oh, well, the movement's not going to be as much. You don't need the movement to be as much. Why is it that we trade Cardano? Why is it that we trade Engine Coin? Why is it that we trade some of these XRP, less than $1, Cardano, right around $1 again? Why do we trade those, mates? Because it doesn't matter. It's a ratio. Like ADA goes up 5 cents. That's a massive win on leverage, okay? Bitcoin goes up $5, doesn't matter. Bitcoin goes up $50, doesn't matter. Bitcoin goes up $500, almost doesn't matter. Bitcoin's got to rise substantially, okay, when you're at these levels, even today at 37, okay? And so, but if I told you Bitcoin's going to go up, if I told you, and I was right, and I said, hey, Bitcoin's going to $40,000 this week, right? I'm not telling you that. I'm just using this as an example. Do your own due diligence. I ain't your financial advisor. You guys know that, okay? I'm just a schmuck on YouTube, okay? But if I told you that, and you believe that, and you looked at the probability, and you looked at the charts, and you looked at the on-chain, and you looked at all the metrics, you said, you know what? I agree with that. Why would you not put some of your leverage trade into Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold? Because they're going to rise correlated with Bitcoin, right? It's documented. They have a high correlation rate. As Bitcoin goes, they're going to go. Why? They're associated with Bitcoin, okay? And so when you look at Bitcoin Gold here at 28 bucks, you've got an RSI of 40. That's less than Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin Cash is lower at 38. That's why I think Bitcoin Cash is a good play, okay, coming up here. If Bitcoin does continue its continuation pattern and then take a shot at that 38,000 resistance level, I think it's a solid play. Myself, personally, do your own due diligence, it's your own risk. But, but Bitcoin Gold at 28, we're looking at right now a $2 move to 30, okay, on a 28. It's got lower level support down at 25, low RSI level. Any substantial move in Bitcoin on a 38 to 40,000 move, we're looking at Bitcoin Gold going up over $30. That $2 move off a $28 priced asset is a big win on leverage.